In this video, I'm going to break down what Wardriving is in a simple beginner-friendly way and show you how you can participate using nothing more than an Android device and an app. Now, this video is part 2 of a Wardriving series being hosted by ValleyTechSolutions. This is a community project. We're trying to get as many people as possible into Wardriving. This video is my contribution to this cause. Wardriving at its core is the act of mapping wireless networks while moving through an area. Historically, it meant driving around with a laptop and antenna, but now it can be done safely and passively with modern tools. No hacking, no breaking into networks, just strictly doing recon and documenting what's already being broadcast. Before we go any further, it is important to say this clearly. Laws and regulations around wireless scanning and data collection vary depending where you live. In many places, interacting with networks attempting access or collecting certain types of data without permission is illegal. This video is for educational awareness only, and everything shown is passive and non-intrusive. Always know your local laws and stay within them. That said, Wardriving can be a fun and educational way to learn more about wireless technology, security, and awareness. One of the coolest parts is that you don't have to do it alone. You can be part of a global team, contributing autonomized data that helps researchers and communities understand wireless coverage and security trends. In this video, we're going to join a team together. I'll walk you through setting up a WiGLE account step by step, show you the app, and explain how to contribute with an Android device. I'll even show you a way to boost your Wi-Fi performance on your device. For the first step, I recommend you using a computer. You could do this on your phone, but it's a lot easier on a computer, trust me. And we're going to set up the account, we're going to join our team, and then from there we'll jump into the Android stuff. First thing you need to do is get to the website. I'll leave a link in the description. Click on login and then click on register. Once you do that, you need to fill out all the information here. I'm going to skip ahead. Once you're done accepting everything, go ahead and hit register. Once you're done with that, you have an account. So remember that login information. Now go to the status bar and then click on groups. And you're going to scroll down until you see the group called NerdSec. Now, I'm in NerdSec. The founder is one of my mods on my channel. He's a good friend of mine as well. And we're currently top 40. Our goal is to get the top 10 this year. So the more members we get, the better. So you're going to go ahead and click on join, like you just saw. Then click join group. And just like that, you're part of a group. So now all the points that you get for capturing networks goes toward the collective. You're able to see other group member statuses and what they contributed, and it's cool to compete with one another. I'll see you there in NerdSec. I'll leave step-by-step instructions in the description as well. Now it's time to boost your Wi-Fi performance on your Android device. So go to your settings and go down to About. Once you go there, you need to scroll all the way down until you see build number and tap on build number until the screen says you are now a developer. Once you do that, you'll be able to click on developer options, scroll all the way down till you get to network, and then you're going to see something that says Wi-Fi throttling. You're going to need to turn that off. Defaulted, it's on. It's to conserve battery, but we're not interested in that. We're interested in performance, so we're going to turn it off and get the best performance possible. Now you need to download the app if you haven't already, and if you did, you need to log into it with the account that you made earlier. So log in, click on settings. And then you're going to see identity settings. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. And then once you're done, you should see something that says that you're logged in. And once you do that, you're ready to start Wardriving. Once you're done scanning, you just hit the upload to WiGLENet. And then you're going to click on confirm that you want to. And then that's it. All the networks that you captured, turn it to points, and it goes toward the team. Let me know in the comments you're going to be joining our team. And let me know if you think that we can make it to top 10 this year. Thank you for watching. And do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.